Let's talk about that moment, that flicker of doubt when you wake up and things just aren't working the way they used to. That subtle, quiet disappointment you feel before you even get out of bed. Stop. That feeling is not a life sentence, it is a maintenance problem. Your body over 50 needs 3 simple things at night: better hormone building blocks, reduced inflammation, and deeper sleep. If you give it those things, your morning drive will return. Today I'm giving you a powerful 3-step nightly ritual using ancient natural oils. I'm going to show you which 3 oils to take before you go to sleep and why the moment you close your eyes is the most critical time for men's health. We're talking about oils that are backed by science, not some questionable Amazon supplement. We'll start with the 1 oil for unblocking the plumbing, then the single best fat for overnight hormone production. Finally, the ancient oil that can double your zinc and reverse the conversion issue. Stick around to the end and I'll give you my simple 7-day challenge to put this entire ritual into action. First one is cold-pressed castor oil. This is the least appetizing one, but it's the most powerful for circulation. When you sit all day in the car, at a desk, metabolic waste builds up in your pelvic region. Your circulation is slower. Now, that waste is congestion, and congestion kills blood flow where you need it most. Castor oil is about 90% ricinoleic acid. This compound is a powerhouse anti-inflammatory. When you take just a small dose, it's absorbed and it begins to gently stimulate your body's lymphatic drainage. Think of your lymph system as your body's garbage disposal. By improving this drainage, you are literally clearing out the inflammation and the waste that is suffocating the blood vessels in your lower half. This means better unrestricted flow by the time you hit REM sleep. Dose. You only need 1/2 to 1 teaspoon mixed in a small glass of warm water, or better yet, a tiny bit of warm ginger tea an hour before bed. Yes, in large doses. It's a laxative. We're not doing that. This small dose is purely therapeutic for inflammation. Crucially, look for organic, cold-pressed, hexana-free oil in a glass bottle. Do not use the stuff from the pharmacy shelf in plastic. But clearing the road isn't enough. Next, you need the fuel to drive the process. That brings us to the most effective hormone builder you can take at night. Number 2 is extra virgin olive oil. You've heard, it's healthy, but you probably didn't know it's hormone dynamite. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats. These are the literal building blocks for testosterone. But the real magic is in the polyphenols. Think of polyphenols as bodyguards for your existing T. They protect your testosterone from being converted into estrogen, keeping your free T levels higher. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology has repeatedly shown that fats like those in olive oil directly support Leydig cell function. Those are the cells in your testes make the hormone. One major study found that men who consistently consumed olive oil saw an increase in testosterone levels, up to 17%. You're essentially creating a hormone production assembly line right before your peak window of activity. Dose? This is simple. 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil about 90 minutes before bed. You can take it straight or drizzle it over a small handful of walnuts or a piece of whole grain toast. The key is quality. You must use first cold-pressed olive oil in a dark glass bottle. The cheap clear or plastic bottled stuff has had all the potent polyphenols stripped out. Buy the good stuff, it matters. So we've cleared the way and we've added the fuel. But there's a third problem facing all men over 50: prostate health. That brings us to the best nighttime oil for regulating your hormone conversion. Third one is pumpkin seed oil. This dark, nutty tasting oil is a staple in men's health circles for a simple reason. It is absolutely loaded with zinc. Zinc is the most essential mineral for T production, and frankly, most men over 50 are deficient. 1 tablespoon of this oil provides almost half your daily needs. But here's the game changer. Pumpkin seed oil contains compounds called phytosterols, specifically delta-7 stearine. This compound is known to help moderate the enzyme that converts your good testosterone into DHT. While DHT is necessary, too much contributes to prostate enlargement and, yes, hair loss. By moderating this conversion, you support a healthy, non-inflamed prostate, which is essential for better urinary function and better morning drive. Dose: 1 to 2 teaspoons of pumpkin seed oil straight or mixed into a small serving of cottage cheese about 30 minutes before bed. Cottage cheese adds protein for muscle repair overnight, making it a perfect pre-sleep snack. Quality check: this oil must be dark green and stored in a cool, dark place like your fridge. So here is the simple 7-day challenge to put this all together. Nightly, take your olive oil first, the fuel. 30 minutes later, take your pumpkin seed oil, the blocker. 3 nights a week, add your castor oil, the unblocker, on days you feel most sedentary or bloated. Consistency is your only rule. Don't stop because you don't see results on day 1. What to expect? Week 1, deeper, more restorative sleep. Week 3-4, the firmness returns. The morning response is more consistent. Month 2-3, this is your new normal. You have stabilized the hormonal and circulatory environment for long-term health. Don't settle for decline. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the most simple ones. If this helped you reframe your health, hit the like button and subscribe for more targeted strategies. Now grab the oils and start your 7-day challenge tonight. I'll see you in the comments with your results.